This volcano is the Colima volcano in the west of Mexico, and it is between the states of Jalisco and Colima. People used to characterize, to think volcanoes as gods or God's creation, sometimes to be mystical elements on their life. So volcanoes are very important, and I'm very proud to be a witness of this kind of processes. And there's nothing compared to this emotion, to be in front of nature, to be in front of how the earth, like a life system, is making things. It's amazing. I knew after taking this picture that it was once in a life moment. I'm very proud to have this picture now in WordPress photo. This volcano photo, it's a difficult picture because it has several elements, very colorful elements, like lava, like stars, like ash, and big lightning that illuminates all the scene. To think about all these elements is very difficult. It's almost impossible. You can't predict when a volcano is going to have activity. I have been taking photos of this volcano for 14 years. So it's a very long project. It's more like a personal project. And after 14 years of taking photos, I have 300,000 pictures, a lot of pictures. I think only 100 are good pictures. And after that 100 of pictures, I know that I have two images that are extraordinary. You have to be persistent. You have to be in front of things to see them happen. I was trying like 20 nights of that December to obtain this kind of picture. Not sleeping in my house, in the cold weather, and this is the result of that. So magical moments occur all the time. You have to be there, and this is a gift that nature gave to me.